Just press above key.
Wait, let's go like this.
अरे अब्बर है यार.
The it is.
नोटपैड में लिख के सब करेक्ट कर फिर पेस्ट कर दो.
ठीक है.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
Anand.
2 records from Mexico.
Yeah, because in our data there was record of Mexico, and remaining everything was one. So that's why it is grouped together. So similar type of data it will group together and it will show you. Clear, everyone? Yes, no.
सर एक बार फिर से.
Chandan, you can share your screen.
Vinay, have you stopped sharing?
Yeah,
हाँ
yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah, now I can share.
Select
हाँ.
customer ID.
See here, what happened? We have grouped. See here, we have done group by own country. So the result will show. See group by country how many times? It's a 2 times Mexico. So it will show all the common things together. और जैसे मेक्सिको में क्या है, 2 रिकॉर्ड था मेक्सिको का, उसको ग्रुप बैक किए तो उसको मर्ज करके एक कर दिया, टोटल शो काउंट शो कर रहा.
ओके,
ठीक है,
यूके का भी 2 था तो मर्ज करके 1 कर दिया.
इक्वी का 1 था,
यूके 2 है.
देख लो
दिख रहा है सर. यूके
कहाँ
2
दिख
है.
रहा.
ऊपर में 2 बार यूके. अच्छा, एक ही चीज तुमने 2 बार एंट्री की है क्या चंद्रा?
No.
अराउंड दी हॉर्न 2 बार है.
No, but I did not run that.
ओके ओके, वो देख के मुझे लगा कि सर सॉरी
No.
यूके 2 बार है. तो वो
क्लियर
अगर
एवरीवन?
रन नहीं की, अगर वो रन करते तो फिर तो सारा डेटा आता ना. चंदना, तुम मैक्सिको 2 बार की हो तो यूके भी 2 बार हुआ होगा ना.
ना वो इसमें काम करना उसमें काम करना अंतर है. इसमें क्वेरी लिख सकते हो, अब सोचो बाद में एग्जीक्यूट
In
करना वो
that
भी कर
case,
सकते हो.
in count UK, it should show 2, right? Why is it showing only 1? I did not
Okay,
run
so
it.
do select start from continue. How many record is showing?
हाँ रुको.
Just run this one. Select start.
Yeah, I'm done.
यार तुम कहाँ आ जाते हो.
Only 5.
5. See, UK is only 1, so that's why showing 1. Okay.
वो कुछ उन लोगों का ग्लिच है क्या?
यहाँ देखो मेक्सिको 2 बार है,
हाँ हाँ.
उसलिए वो 200 किया. ठीक है,
ठीक है.
जस्ट याद रखो ग्रुप बाय व्हाट इट विल डू, इट विल मर्ज एंड एक तरफ दोनों मर्ज करके उसका काउंट शो करेगा. ओके, एंड यस्टरडे आई हैव शेयर्ड वन डॉक्यूमेंट. मीना था सबको, जस्ट रेफर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम देयर, इट विल हेल्प यू टू
अच्छा
अंडरस्टैंड.
हाँ हाँ.
हाँ sir, document में everything is in detail.
एग्जांपल के साथ है. it will
नहीं
help
सर,
you.
मुझे सिंटेक्स में प्रॉब्लम नहीं था एक्चुअली. मैंने डेटा एंट्री देखा ना, इसीलिए पूछा मैंने, क्योंकि 2 दिख रहे हैं, वो सीधा सीधी दिख रहा है इसीलिए.
Everyone clear? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
डॉट ने Okay. So can you quickly create one more table? is the last one.
Yes, sir. For which command, sir?
This one case condition.
Okay, case.
Table name, order details. Okay.
Yes.
Column. This one. There will total 4 column. Okay.
Okay.
And quantity you just give a string. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is varchar.
Okay.
And this is data.
Sir, quantity you gave, told me it's int, right,
Varchar.
actually?
The value is in, but you just give varchar.
Okay, okay.
Because after case condition, we will change the value and all something. You can give int
Okay.
also, no problem. But better if it's better just give varchar for now.
Done, sir.
Okay. Vinay, are you Soumya Priyanka completed?
Wait one second.
Yes, sir.
Everyone completed, right?
Wait one sir. Just wait one. Last would be that. Yes, sir, done.
Done. So there is one case condition. Any idea what is the use of case condition? Any idea?
Yes, sir. It will give you conditions and the data will be executed according to that. For example, here you
Yeah.
can give if quantities greater than so and so, it is huge quantity. If it is lesser, then it is less quantity.
So for example, can you run this query which I have shared you?
Yeah, sir. I'm running.
So case condition, what you will do, for example, you want to see some condition that if this, then that you have to execute this one. For example, when quantity is less than 30, then you need to return the quantity greater than 30. Like this, you can give any condition and you can work on. Chandana, done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. What output you are getting?
It's showing the output.
Yeah. See here what we have done. See here what we have done. We have selected ID, order ID, quantity, and we have given on condition. Okay. So what condition we have given? See when quantity greater than 30, then give me this output. In output I will see the quantity is greater than 30. When quantity is equal to 30, then the output it will return me this one. And finally, whenever you are starting case condition, you need to end also. So finally, we are ending that one. Then we are giving one alias name as quantity text from table name. Clear everyone? Vinay, Ayush, Soumya? Yes, no, or confused?
Yes.
आयुष समझ में आया?
नहीं सर.
देखो, वो कहाँ समझ में आया? जहाँ पे समझ में आया वो बताओ.
So shall I
सर
explain?
एक मिनट.
या संजना.
Uh, having some noise from your perspective. Okay. So first, let's see this table, order details table. So here order detail ID, order ID, and product ID and quantity. Here, which is the numerical now numerical column is only quantity. Rest all is just a representative. Order IDs or these columns does not contain any numerical quantity value. It is numbers, but you cannot perform numerical operations.
Okay.
Right? So, but only quantity is only the numerical thing. So now I wanted to separate all these things. I wanted to give a statement here, add another column with the statement in such a way that if quantity is greater than 30, it will show the quantity is greater than 30 in this new column. If quantity is under 30, it will show the quantity is under 30. If it is equal to 30, it will show the quantity is 30. I wanted to create a new column. So this is basically giving conditions, right, for each cases, for each rows. So in that situation, I'll use something called as case statements.
Okay.
These type of. So what is the syntax? So the syntax will be divided into 4 parts in case statement. First thing is you have to select in select statement. You have to select all the column name that is required. If you want, you can select all the columns also. But I have selected only order ID and quantity. That's it.
Okay.
I have not selected order detail ID or product ID. There's no harm. Even you can select that. First part, select all the columns that is required. Then comma. Then in next line, give case. From here, our case statement starts.
Okay.
Case when the quantity the column name is quantity here. When quantity is greater than, sorry, it is 30. Okay. Anyway, it doesn't matter. When the quantity is greater than 30, then the column here should reflect for this string. The quantity is greater than 30.
Okay.
Next condition, when quantity is equal to 30, here ensure that you give the column name properly, then the quantity is 30. Else, if these both condition doesn't satisfy, the quantity is under 30. Till here you understood, till this 3 line? Then end as quantity text. What does it mean? You require a column name, na?
Yeah.
So it is, you're giving it as quantity text. From which table? From order details table.
Okay.
So this is the syntax, and here you can manipulate anything. You can give how many number of when, but only one else. So when you execute this, you will get that table. So see, wherever the quantity is less than 12, it is showing
The quantity is under 30.
under 30. Only one quantity is greater than 30, and there is no quantity that is equal to 30, so it's not showing that.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the syntax for case statement. For any other thing also you
One
can
more
perform.
question. So you have means written that end as a quantity text from order details. So why order details is not there? Means it's just analyzing.
Order details is nothing, just the
The
table name,
table
right?
name.
हाँ
तो हमेशा करते हो लिखते हो ना फ्रॉम, सेलेक्ट चार
हाँ
फ्रॉम, तो ये
हाँ
फ्रॉम है, टेबल नाम तो देना होगा तुमको.
Always the select statement should end from which table you're doing.
ओके
So
मतलब
this is in
इनिश
middle.
हाँ ठीक है.
हाँ.
नाउ क्लियर?
हम्म.
सौम्या क्लियर?
Yes.
Okay. Everyone completed this one? I just hope system try किए हो?
नहीं सर करता हूँ.
कर लो. विनय?
Yes, sir. कर रहा हूँ.
Done?
कर रहा हूँ.
अक्षय? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Who is Barbie girl? Is actual name or भावना? Clear? जगदीश? महेश? निहाल? Pawan, you are clear, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इस क्लास में लग मीन्स 40 स्टूडेंट शो कर, उसमें लगता है 15 ही अलाइव मीन्स हाँ देख रहे हैं, बाकी सब लॉगिन करके छोड़ दिए.
सर मेरा यहाँ पर आ रहा है कॉलम काउंट डजंट मैच वैल्यू काउंट एट रो 1.
जस्ट देखो कहाँ गलती की हो, हम क्वेरी चैट में दिए, जस्ट कंपेयर दैट वन.
हो गया सर.
क्लियर? Vinay, if you are facing any issue, you can share your screen.
Yes, sir.
One second, stop sharing.
Okay.
ये क्या जादू कर रहे हो, इतना स्क्रीन पूरा नंबर से भर दिया.
सर ये देखो ये आ रहा है कॉलम काउंट डजंट मैच काउंट एट रो 1.
क्या लिखे हो दिखाओ हमको.
इंसर्ट इनटू.
विनय डबल ब्रैकेट डबल ब्रैकेट डबल ब्रैकेट.
अरे डबल ब्रैकेट पहले इसका आ रहा था, ये देख यू हैव
डबल ब्रैकेट
ये ले डबल ब्रैकेट वो उतार देता है.
हटाओ.
ठीक है.
अरे नीचे भी डबल ब्रैकेट है.
तो ये ले. ओके. ठीक है.
विनय एक ही चीज इतना दिन से कर रहे हो, मतलब लास्ट 1 वीक से कर रहे हैं हम लोग, अभी तक क्लियर नहीं हुआ हाउ टू इंसर्ट.
ठीक है.
So till now whatever we have done in MySQL, so everyone clear, right? Soumya, Vinay, Ayush.
Yes, sir, yes.
हाँ सर.
सब क्लियर राइट? अब कोई किसी तरह टास्क करने बोलेगा, यू कैन डू राइट. एंड प्लीज फॉलो द डॉक्यूमेंट वी यस्टरडे व्हिच आई हैव सेड. उसको हार्डली इट विल टेक 3 आवर्स. इफ उसको मिनिमम जस्ट रिवाइज 3 टाइम्स, तो वो सब क्लियर हो जाएगा हाउ टू परफॉर्म. उसमें ईच एंड एवरीथिंग आई हैव एक्सप्लेन. ओके. So, so this is the end of
Sir,
this.
what
Yeah.
about in that document functions is given?
Function and all that. Just read that one. You will come to know.
Okay.
Each and everything is written there. So few things I have written in depth, or few things just do by, having by, and all. So SQL is not a small part. So in SQL there are multiple things, like you can either define your function, or the function is nothing. For example, predefine. For example, there is one stream is there, then lag is there. There are multiple things that are known as function.
Okay, sir.
You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
So till now, what all things we have completed? First one, Linux, right?
Linux, yeah.
Second,
SQL.
MySQL.
okay.
Create database, create table, insert value, orders.
Now we are going to see big data. Any idea what is big data?
Data which is large in terms of volume and velocity.
Yeah. So assume. So what happened? So why big data came? First, you need to think that one. So already there was MySQL.